He likes it.
He loves it. It's the cutest little thing in the world.
Did he burp already?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, let's go change the diaper. Can you get his diaper back to me?